Alright, here is my RotorHazard USB node with a little Arduino and the 5808. So instead of just soldering the wires from here to here, I thought it would be fun to design my own circuit board. So I've never done that, but it was pretty easy. And here is the finished product. Alright, check out my RotorHazard timer. So I built a USB node. There's my ground station. Have it plugged into my laptop. I'm running Raspberry Pi on a VirtualBox, and this is my lap times. So if I go to the settings, sensor tuning, you can see that I have one node. I don't have my little walk snail whoop up yet, but works great.
Motors on. Ricky, lap 1, 17.9. Ricky, lap 2, 17.4. Ricky, lap 3, 17.4. 1 minute. Ricky, lap 4, 14.4. Seconds. Ricky, lap 5, 18.2. Seconds. Ricky, lap 6, 16.7. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ricky, lap 7, 15.9.
I noticed on that video that it was beeping on the entry, so I looked and I raised this up. So 120 makes this go higher. I could probably go higher if I wanted to. The spikes are real easy to see. It does a good job of determining where the laps are. So I had the beep set up for when it enters, so it's going to beep before it even gets there. This RotorHazard is pretty amazing.